It is August down here at Woodgrove Chrysler, and there's lots of excitement, lots of fun going on. The Olympics are on right now. People are tuning in. I hope everybody's cheering for Canada. But before we get too excited about August, it's important to look back at July, where we had an awesome month all around. Parts and service really led the charge last month, and that's why it's that time of the month. It's our Employee of the Month, and our Employee of the Month this time is from our parts department, our award-winning Rockstar Parts Department. Anytime you're in here, you want to get a Jeep lifted or a truck lifted or even just accessorize your vehicle, they're going to take good care of you. But our winner today is actually Jeff Loney. He specializes in our wholesale department. So what he does is anytime the vehicles are, if your vehicle's in an accident, it goes to a body shop. Lots of times those body shops get their parts from us, and we've got to deliver those parts all over the island. And Jeff's our main guy, and he's our Employee of the Month for July because he has been really stepping up and a big help in our parts right now, taking us to the next level. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to give it to him. Let's go find him and give him the good news. So you're our Employee of the Month. I was. Rocking and rolling, making sure stuff's getting done down here.
Oh, yeah. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, man. Good job last time, buddy. Thank you.